aligning.
Okay, so this is kind of funny.
Like making
Okay, so further to our investigations of AI, this is one of the things that the tools that I use for my YouTube channel create these artificial podcasts that I put up there. You can go to my link tree to my YouTube if you want to have a listen to reviews on, I don't know, there's 24 of these things up there now of various books that I've read, and I'm about to do this one. But like all AI engines, this is evolving. So what it does is you take the PDF version of the book that you want, and it creates a discussion back and forth between two artificial intelligence hosts. Well, now they've got this thing. It's called the interactive mode. So let's try it. Go to interactive mode, and this is pretend is a podcast. And here it begins, right? So
All right,
now,
are you ready for
just pause. See if it'll continue now.
this? I mean, you sent us so much material on Bone Out.
Yeah, it's a hot topic.
We've got like excerpts
Let's
from
join.
Owen McDar's book.
Oh, our listeners got something to share. Let's hear it.
I'm all about the energy, man. I want to know how to get from burnout to breakthrough. Tell me, please.
Okay, so you want to know how to get from burnout to breakthrough.
Right. I mean, that's really the core question, isn't it?
Exactly. And the book actually lays it out pretty clearly.
Tell me that's not the funniest. So you can now, in a rather simplistic kind of way, interact with the hosts of an AI podcast. None of this is real. I just took a PDF file, and from the PDF file created a fictional podcast with two hosts. And that feature, that notebook, it's called Notebook LM. It's a Google product. So if you want to go to it, the address is notebooklm.google.com. And basically you can upload a whole series of different formats. So let's and you create your own little artificial intelligence realm, for lack of a better word. I have about 80 books on PDF that I have a master notebook set up for. So if I have any questions and I think that one of them might be a reference to a book or something like that, it can automatically find it amongst the pages of all 80 of those books exactly as it was written and exactly where to find it. So if I said to you, well, all you got to do is read the book, and you say, yeah, but where in the books that talk about this, page 105, I could literally refine it down that fine. But now I've been experimenting with this audio component of it, and like I said, there are fictitious podcasts, discussions that ultimately sound like reviews of 20 some odd books in my YouTube channel, and you can go there and you can listen for the 20 minutes. They run for 20 minutes to a half an hour. And when I started out, initially what I did was I created this format, but it has to be a video, right? So I put up just the cover of the book, and now I'm starting to enter amongst the 20 minutes, let's say, put in other images relative to the discussion that's going on. So it looks like a more proper flowing video. But now this thing is interactive. So podcasts, forget about them. All you have to do is go and listen to something like this, and if it's in Notebook LM format, you can actually join and ask it questions and short circuit the review process and get exactly to a question that you might otherwise type in the search area, or as a research individual, you might be doing it just on a single source, which is this. Like, this is just a single source. So this has all of the power of an AI, but you are dictating the source to it. So in this case, it's just one PDF. It can't expand into the realm of things necessarily beyond that. It uses the rest of its language model as a bit of a reference point, but its primary focus is the material that you upload. So I can put up here Excel files, doc files, PDF files, PowerPoint presentation files, and it basically creates one single source that you can draw all this information on. I've already done a business plan with this, and I've been asked to do one for another company that somebody that I know works for. So it's quite interesting in this regard. Check it out. It's at notebooklm.google.com, and my YouTube channel is
so
in my
first she talks about
bio.
what burnout is, what causes
If you're
it, the
interested in
whole
that.
thing.
Cheers.
It's about understanding the problem before you try to fix it.